And really next week for the DNC, the weather is going to be incredible. Cooler than normal.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Wheaton to Lyle to near Shorewood, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, and South Shore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.